Today we're going to look at a new feature in Microsoft Word 2013, the ability to edit PDFs directly from within Word. Let me say from the start that this feature doesn't work with all documents, especially documents that have many graphics. However, even with these limitations, I think you'll find that it is much easier to edit PDFs than it ever has been. So let's take a look at this new feature in Word 2013 and see what it can do and what it can't. First, let's take a look at a PDF document in Adobe Reader so that we can compare what it looks like when we open it in Word. I'm opening a document called Sample 1 PDF. Notice it's a fairly simple document, text only, no graphics, some text colors, colored backgrounds, some word styles have been assigned. Let's close this document and see if we can open it in Word 2013 and edit it. Switch over to Word, go to File, Open, and again I'm opening the same file, it's a PDF, directly within Word. This message box is warning me that Word will now convert the PDF to an editable Word document. It also warns me that it may not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained many graphics. Let's click OK on that. Notice that Word opens the PDF directly. If you look at the top of the screen, the file extension is PDF, not docx. Let me add some text now that I can edit the PDF and add some formatting to the document. Notice that I can add text directly anywhere in the document. I can change the paragraph spacing. I can add font formatting, and I can even use the Format Painter. After I make changes in the document, I can save it either as a new Word document or as a PDF. Watch what happens when I try to save it as a PDF. I'm going to browse to the same folder, and in the Save As Type drop-down, I'm going to select PDF and click the Save button. Word notifies me that it can't save the file because it's read-only. In order to keep my changes, I'll need to save the document with a new name. Let me click the Browse button, and I will change the name from Sample 1 to Sample 1A, and again we'll save it as a PDF. After Word saves the document as a PDF, it opens it automatically in Adobe Reader. Let's go ahead and close this document in Adobe Reader, and we'll open up another document that has a graphic. First we'll take a look at it in Adobe Reader so that you can see what the original document looks like. Notice that there's some colored text. Each one of the subtitles has an orange border below it, and there's a graphic over on the right that the text wraps around. Let's go ahead and close this in Reader, and we'll open the same document in Microsoft Word. Again, I'm opening the PDF directly from within Word. In this case, the document did not retain its original look. If you look closely at the orange borders beneath each of the subtitles, you'll notice that each one of them is a different distance from the text. If we look down at themes and styles, the border actually runs through the text. And if we look a little more closely, let me select the picture, you can see that in converting the document to something that could be edited in Word, Word somehow combined the picture and some of those orange borders. Notice that when I drag it around, it's treating it as one unit now. I can delete the picture at this point, and that will make it a little bit easier to work with the text in the document. However, I think you can see that working with PDFs within Word that contain graphics will present some challenges. So let's take a look at what you have learned from watching this video. As you have seen, many PDFs can now be edited directly in Word 2013. However, PDFs with many graphics will likely be problematic. Generally, PDFs with all text will be easier to edit. Remember to open the PDF directly in Word as a read-only document. After making your changes, save the PDF from within Word as a PDF with a different name.